Good morning, distinguished guests, respected faculty members, fellow students, and future change makers. My name is Arya, and it's an honor to stand here today and share a few thoughts that I hope will resonate with each of you, not just as students but as agents of change. In a world that needs not just knowledge but action, let me begin with a simple question. What is the real value of education if it never leaves the classroom? As a student of applied science, I have often asked myself this question. And today, I invite you to reflect on it with me. We live in an era of abundant information. With a few taps, we can access lectures from MIT, read journals from Harvard, or analyze satellite data from NASA. Yet, despite all this, many community around us are still facing basic challenges, from climate risk to water scarcity, from education inequality to public health gaps. Why? Because knowledge alone is not. What we need is applied knowledge. Knowledge that moves, that solves, that empowers, that there is a growing gap between what we learn and what we do, between theory and action, between memorizing and making, and that gap is precisely where our generation is called to step in. Education should not be treated as a trophy to be displayed in our CV. It should be a talking we use to fix problems, build systems, and empower others. The great mind of history, from Tesla to Habibi, from Marie Curie to Habibi, didn't stop at knowing. They built, they experimented, they failed, they tried again. Applied knowledge is messy. It requiring getting your hands dirty. It demands failure, trial and error, collaboration, and empathy. It asks us not just to understand a question or theories, but to see their relevance in human lives. A student, especially in applied disciplines, whether in meteorology, engineering, agriculture, or social science, we have an extraordinary responsibility to translate what we learn in something usable, scalable, and meaningful. One of our greatest myths is that solution must come from somewhere far development or high tech. In reality, the best solutions are often locally grown, context sensitive, and culturally abundant. Indonesia, for instance, face unique geographical and environmental challenge, floods, rock, forest fires, and more, but it also has brilliant local minds, indigenous indigenous knowledge and youth with fresh perspective. Who better to solve local problems than us? Students who walk those streets know the people, understand the language of the land. Let me sharing a quick sample. A group of university students in rural Java once developed a low-cost early warning system from landslide using only recycled phone parts and rain charge. Their project born in a classroom. No saves lives during the rainy season. This is the power of applied knowledge. It doesn't need to be fancy. It needs to be useful. But turning education in solution is not always easy. It takes courage to speak up, to start something, to raise being wrong. It also takes collaboration. No one solves complex problem alone. Scientists need communicators, engineering need designers, data analysts need people who understand human behavior. Need in the sense, the future will not belong to the smartest individuals, but to the most collaborative minds, those who can work across files, across background, across borders. So ask yourself, how am I using that what I know? Who am I building with? What impact am I creating, even in small ways? Let me also say this. The journey of applied knowledge is not just the responsibility of students. Education is institution must shift from knowledge-centered to solution-oriented teaching. We need more labs, more fieldworks, more community-based projects, more real-world simulation, not just more exams. To our educator here today, thank you, and let's continue co-creating a system that doesn't just produce graduates but problem solvers. Friends, the world we inherit is fraught with complex, interconnected, and urgent problems, but it's also full of hope, energy, and potential, especially when we realize that education is not the end goal, it's the beginning. Let's not just collect degrees, let's create solution. Let's not just study success stories, let's build them. Let's turn every lesson, every project, every failures in steps forward for our communities. Applied knowledge is the bridge between learning and impact. Let's be too honest who crushed it. Thank you.